What's up, Tech Fam? West LA computer expert here. Today, we're diving into something brand new from Microsoft, the Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC. This isn't just your average Surface Pro. It's a whole new way to experience computing with the power of AI assistants built right in. So, the Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC takes the already fantastic Surface Pro platform and integrates something called Copilot, Microsoft's new AI assistant. Think of it as having a personal tech assistant by your side, always ready to lend a hand. Copilot is integrated directly into Windows. Say you're working on a project and need information, just talk to Copilot. Ask it a question, and it will search the web, your files, and even summarize emails to find the answer you need. It can also help with tasks like scheduling meetings, setting reminders, and even translating languages on the fly. This device is perfect for anyone who wants to be more productive, students, busy professionals, or anyone keen on optimizing their workflow. Here's a quick rundown of some key benefits: increased productivity, enhanced creativity, improved accessibility, and the reliable power of the Surface Pro platform. Now, let's talk about the tech specs. Rumors suggest a new Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus processor, known for its efficiency and performance. This device also boasts a Qualcomm Hexagon Neural Processing Unit and Adreno GPU, ensuring smooth visuals for work and play. Stay tuned for our full in-depth review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.